Folds have a place, but not on your face.
Everyone will notice, but no one will know.
Ask your doctor about Juvederm.
When I would smile, the folds weren't that noticeable. But when I wasn't smiling, there they were, smack in the middle of my face. I would catch a glimpse of my face and would think, hey, who's that? And where did these lines come from?
So I went to my doctor and I told him what bothered me about my face. I said, these lines.
You know, I hate these folds besides my nose. I mean, is it okay to say hate?
I wanted them gone. The sooner, the better.
I didn't want to look done up. I just wanted to look like me.
Those folds, I used to have them too. But that is before I discovered Juvederm. Now I'm a huge fan and a loyal client of it. And that is why I'm here to talk to you about it.
Juvederm is the next generation dermal filler. As our skin ages in the 30s, it loses structure and volume,
causing wrinkles and fine lines. Juvederm smooths away all those wrinkles and folds by putting back what nature has taken away from you. Juvederm is a smooth gel dermal filler which is made of hyaluronic acid or HA, which maintains and attracts water inside the skin and increases its volume. The result is smooth and a natural look instantly, and you are just a few minutes away from looking fabulous.
Now, we have those women who have talked about their wrinkles and lines before. And now, these are the same women who are talking about it after Juvederm.
What I liked the best is no one could figure out what I had done.
It's true what they say. Everybody will notice, but nobody will know.
I couldn't believe how easy it was. It was like, hey, where did those folds go around my nose and mouth? And now when I look in the mirror, I can barely remember what those lines were like before.
Juvederm smoothed away those lines above my lips. Now my lipstick stays in place. It's like, hello, I'm back.
People would comment on me how refreshed I look. I find it funny, but then, well, I would say thanks.
It was so easy that I tell everyone, go to the Juvederm website now.
Did your doctor do those before and after pictures?
Yes, he did.
And I could see the difference right away.
People are so happy with the results they get from Juvederm. Now, here's some more before and after. Aren't we glad we did this?
My husband still doesn't know what's different about me.
If you want to know about Juvederm, just check out the Juvederm website. You will know everything about it, how it works, and what people are saying about it. Ask about Juvederm for smooth and natural looking results that last. Lose those lines, look natural and smooth, and you'll see. Everyone will notice, but no one will know. Ask about Juvederm today.
Because folds have a place, but not on your face.